Total gain to 163%. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're introducing a powerful and fully automated trading system called ToborFX. Pairs for different pair, carefully chosen for stable trends and strong trading potential. Timeframe M15 and H1 optimized for precise entries and smooth performance in different market conditions. To get started, a minimum balance of $100 is required. Originally priced at $499, you can now get this EA for just $25, exclusively on FX Pro. Now let's take a look at the EA's performance. It has delivered a total gain of 263%. While maintaining a very low drawdown of just 16%. The EA also achieves an impressive 73% win rate, highlighting consistent and accurate trading. Now, let's open MetaTrader and set up the EA. Inside the Inputs tab, you can easily customize the settings to match your trading strategy. The EA is now set up and ready to trade. For complete details and download, visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.